Hi guys, it's Bridge again from Reviews, Challenges, Build. Stay tuned for another video like that. So today, what brings me up is I have this clamp set. It has been 1 week since I got it. I bought two packages. They're for $11. Check them out at Canadian Tire. The regular price was $20. No, not $20, $30. But they're for $11. So I bought this clamp set. This clamp is from Certified Light Duty Clamp Set. So here we go. Here's the box that it comes with. It's with it. This is the box. I bought two of these. So let's unbox it. What comes? Just to let you know, the scissors I'm using, they're Mastercraft. If you guys this is my first time using them. I bought these ones for $11 too. The regular price for this one is $20. Not this. There's about five sets of these scissors. Sewing scissors, cooking scissors, any type of scissors. 5 scissors. So let's go ahead and cut this thing open. Oh my god, that works good. Okay. So guys, this is what I hate about these sets. That these are hard. Let's see if I can open it. Yeah, I did. There we go, guys. Success. This is what I hate. They do stay stronger, but the plastic is very hard to wear. So let's go ahead and open this. So guys, what you get in here is, let's go ahead. Sorry guys, if it's taking a long time. Everything's falling here. So I'm moving it. There we go guys, and we have it. Let me just take all the video. You got your basic spring clamps. Okay. Let's just put this back. Okay, we have everything. I'll show you how it works. I'm gonna tilt the camera. So guys, we have this right here, our big clamp. So how it works is you have a trigger that you have to press, and if you're doing something on over here, this unlocks. So all you want to do is lock it so this other part doesn't come off. So let's take a look at, and by the way, why I bought this, because you get 2 sets of these. You get 1 set of your smaller ones. Same one. Same idea though. Remember, right now I have almost 2 sets I bought. So we have these 2. In this set, everything comes in 2 pieces. Like you have a partner for one of these. So they're the same ones. Now let's move on to our smallest spring clamps. Okay, look, this is like this small. It's about this small. You have your basic spring clamps. The other spring clamps are slightly bigger and they're more stronger. Over here. There they are. Right here. Again, I'll demonstrate how they're used on my table. Let me just tilt the camera a bit and move this aside now. So how they work. What happens is that you have to unlock this, and if it's the wood like this thick, just put it like this. Press this trigger until it's not tight enough. I think once it makes that sound, that's good. Let's try with the same one again to show how it's used again. So let me just, okay, here we go. Made that sound. Onto our smaller clamps. This is taking forever, I know, guys. I just want to show you how to use them, so when you go to use them, you don't have a difficulty using them. So onto our another one. Onto our small spring clamps. We'll just take a touch. Okay, look at that. That's how they slip. Onto our bigger spring clamps. Oh. Just do this like this. So that's the idea, how to put all these clamps like this. And then when you take it, easy, you'll see this black button. Press it down, unlock. There we have it. Repeat the process. Not like doing a tutorial on making something. You repeat the process. And this is slightly different because they're smaller ones. So there's an orange button that you press, unlock. Yes, unlock. And for this, to lock this piece so it doesn't come off, you have this normally trigger. So, same thing. Unlock and go. But spring clamps, no worries. Press, unlock. Make sure they don't flick, otherwise they can break. Because these are the normal plastic ones. Make sure you be careful with them. Otherwise they break. So guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up this video. And see you in the next video. It can be anything. So, bye.